about the mess. So I'm really excited. I finally got my system hooked up to where I could play the bass. You can hear me pretty decently, vocal wise. And so what I want to do right now is just kind of run through the basses really quick and give you a sound that they make. Unfortunately, I'm going to just do this with the sound I like to use here in church. So it's not anything professional, but this is just kind of the sound I like to use in church. So starting first is the Empire 58 bass, and we're just going to do some simple things. I am going to use a little bit of, actually I'm not going to use a little bit of because I don't have it. So I'm going to put on some headphones so I could hear the bass. Okay, all right. And so there it is. Can just do some simple scales. I don't know a bunch of stuff, so okay. So these are using labella flats. I do prefer them. So again, this is the Empire 58 custom shop bass. Let me go something on this level. We'll go. I try to get a little higher end here with something like this. And again, I'm just trying to. Sorry, let me try that again. So that's the basic sound on this. I'm not a slapper. You're not going to get that out of me right now. I do like to run a little distortion at times. That's the pork and pickle right there. And then also at times I like to run a little bit of chorus. So that's the chorus. That's the pork and pickle. I am running this through the punch line from JHS with the compressor on, with the amp sim on also. So that's also what I'm running. I'll take a picture of this stuff and put it on there. So Empire 58, we'll move on to the next one. So this is the new Z7 from Marcus Miller. Sire Z7, middle, and this does have the strings it came with, which are some kind of round wound strings. All right. I did get this from Anderton's from Europe, so shout out to them. And again, I don't pretend to be the best or even try to be the best at this stuff. My new channel, I know a lot of people had comments about my last video, It just wasn't up to par on some stuff, and this is what I can do. So I'm very new, and then we're gonna go. So that was with the pork and pickle, and let's see a little bit of the chorus deluxe. So that's with the chorus deluxe. I do find this to be a pretty versatile bass. So far, so good. Haven't had any of the issues we did with the last one. Hey, so thanks for watching. This is Dino Dan Smoking. Let's tap some strings and do some things.